Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. It's Ma'am Sky. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
Oh, I didn't saw you there, but hi, I'm Lucas the Explorer. Let's go to my tent. If you don't know my name, it's Lucas, if you forgot. So let's go to my tent and see what we can find. I see a boat. It's black. Mommy, I can get this one. Did you like the video? Well, like it. So if you really liked it, you have to subscribe and hit that notification bell. It's right down there. Right down there. Click it. I see the like button. It's right there. Go click it so you can get some more videos. Bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Hi guys! This video I'm gonna share with you the Kids Explorer kit that I got it from Amazon. It's for outdoor or even indoor, pretend play toys. Your nephews, with your nieces, for the kids, and for sure they gonna love it. My son really love it and enjoy doing the pretend play, and you will see the whole video after this.
Whistle.
Okay. All right.
Put it back in my.
What is that? Tweezers.
Ooh.
Is that a spider? Okay.
It's a spider.
Oh, okay.
It's a spider and I get tweezers. I'm gonna poke it. It's very hard to open. So this is a bug catcher container. So if you catch any bug, you put it in here. And if you want to see it, you can just see it right here or right there. If you want to get it out, you have to open it and then you can get it. So that's how it works. This this is a bug net, so you can catch some butterflies and some bugs. You put it in the container. This is a bug Tong. And this is the backpack where you put all your stuff in. I'm gonna keep the whistle because it's loud. You know, if it's nighttime, I'm gonna use this. And the magnifying glass, we put it back in there. Use this one. We're ready to go camping! So this is a backpack where you put on your stuff, and it's like your school backpack. If you don't have one, this is like you wear like these. And then you're ready to go camping! Yay! Make sure you stay safe. So we're outside, and this is where I guess we're gonna camp here. Get our supplies. I forgot where I put my supplies. Oh, it's in my backpack. Straight back in here. And let's get our tools out. A net.
Hold on.
Where to place it? Oh, I'm just looking at some bugs.
What do you see in there?
I just see no bugs.
No bugs? Okay.
Let's look somewhere else.
All right.
Looking at some watermelon. Look at that one. It looks so cool. It's growing.
Okay.
Let's see. I don't see no animals on the tree. I thought there was gonna be some birds and owls, you know. I just see a blue sky. I don't know why, but I think it's clouds. I saw a butterfly, but I missed. It flew away. I see one! I found a spider, and it's very big. Let's look at it. Look at that. It's so big. Very big. Let's get it. Need to get it. I see a spider. I see the spider. I'm using a magnifying glass so you can see better. See? That's a spider. Let's see the front. Let me see the front, spider. See it? Look at that. That is. Let's use the time so I can get it and put it back in there. Here. Get in. But I'm using glue. Find something, a bug or some food. See a bug right there. Catch it. That's a real one. I killed it.
You got it? Okay.
Look at that. It's a tomato, but
What?
it's a tomato right there, but it looks like an apple.
Where? Where?
Right there.
Use your magnifying glass.
Right there. Right there.
Where?
It's right there.
Right there. And
I don't see no cucumber, but oh yeah.
use the magnifying glass. What did you see? What do you see?
I see cucumber.
Where's the cucumber?
I see right there.
Okay, you use the magnifying glass. Oh, right there.
Oh.
And get more. See, use your magnifying glass.
I hate bending.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, I got this one from Amazon, Kids Explorer Kit. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and ring the bell. And it's Ma'am Sky. Bye. See you on my next video.